Hey everyone, you're probably already aware of Midjourney's new panning feature, where you can take an image with bad framing and expand it up, down, left, or right. Like here, take a look at this picture. This has a lot of promise. I know it's cut off at her nose and at her stomach, but I feel like you can see that this picture has a lot of potential. So now there are buttons below the image on Discord where you can simply click and see Midjourney expand and fill in the canvas. It's really powerful. Let me show you some quick examples. Look how good of a job the AI does. It knows what the picture is about and it's able to fill it in correctly. And then take a look at some of these examples of her head. That is so cool. I love that little forehead tiara thing she has. Or maybe her hair is going to be flowing in the wind. Or this tiara also works really well. Maybe it'll even give her sunglasses. And you can keep panning up and down until you get the full picture that you're looking for. But that's not the only way to do this. Going back to the original image, you can click on this button here, Custom Zoom. This is going to open a prompt box and you can change anything you want. But what we want to do is leave the prompt the same and change the aspect ratio. So instead of 91:51, we're going to change it to what we're actually looking for, which is a nice 2:3 poster. And the key thing here, you have to remember this, we want to change the zoom from 2 to 1. This will ensure that the camera stays focused rather than backing out a little bit. That's important. Now look at these. By changing the aspect ratio and keeping the zoom at 1, Midjourney is able to make the canvas you're looking for and expand the picture to fill that frame. Super powerful stuff, and it might just save you some time. Panning can go kind of slowly, it's one little bit at a time. Like to get these images, you would have had to pan up and down, so that's 2 generations, while here this just took 1. And over time, that's going to save a lot of effort. Now, I do have to point out, I feel like the generations are slightly different between panning and using this custom zoom. Like you'll notice we didn't get any sunglasses, so I'm not sure why panning might provide different variations or accessories. Just something to think about. But again, if you know the frame that you want to get to, you can just change it up really quickly in the custom zoom. And I wanted to let you know that I have a new free PDF available in the description. I'd say this is more focused on generating AI art with younger kids. It's a mini Ad-Lib activity book where you'll be given prompts with different categories that you can fill out by consulting lists of keywords that I've compiled. The PDF is free, it has a page of Ad-Libs, and then like 7 pages of categories and plenty of words to choose from. And if you're having fun with those, you can find a larger set of Ad-Libs available for purchase in my shop. Pages and pages of different prompts to construct. I think it'll be a lot of fun for kids or adults alike. Anyone who's having trouble creating their own prompts, this will give you some pretty clear plug and play formulas that will help you generate some amazing pictures. Check it out, let me know what you think. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace.